Look at my nails, y'all. I am obsessed with these. They're so pretty. Sorry, guys. I'm just really obsessed with these. Anyway, hi, everyone. Robbie here. This is FrekiFitWolf. It is Sunday, so it's time for my official weekly weigh-in. All right, so happy Sunday, everybody. Another week is through for me, and I'm happy with how this week went on numerous levels. You know the struggles I was having food-wise, you know the struggles I was having financially-wise, all of that stuff. I am, how did I put it? I'm seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. I'm still in the tunnel, but I'm seeing the light at the end of it. And that is making me feel good. Also, yesterday, oh my gosh, yesterday we were so busy at the salon. It was incredible. I am exhausted and my back hurts and my calves hurt, but I'm so happy that finally we have had a few busy days have been happening, but it was nuts, like crazy busy, like turning business away, sadly busy, and long wait times busy, which I feel bad for the customers, but most people were patient with us and understanding, and it was a great day. Even, I gotta tell this story. My one customer, okay, I do week ahead appointments, and so does Paige that I work with. Everybody else only does same day. So I had an appointment at 4:30. He had called earlier in the week, and these people had come in with two little boys, and we had told them that we're just basically going to be squeezing them in. We think we can get to them around 4, but we really don't know. We really can't promise anything. And so got to the point like that it was a little after 4:30 and like a couple of minutes. Like my chair was sanitizing and all that stuff, and I was telling my guy that like, hey, you're next. And he was like, well, they were here. I'm like, I know, but you had your appointment already and we were squeezing them in where we can. So I'll get to one of them after you, unless you want one of them to go first. Cause either way I'll be doing both, like one of the boys and you. Doesn't matter to me which order I do them in. I'm like, you decide, I gotta let this sanitize, sweep up, clean up a little bit. I'll be right back. So I come back and he actually wanted one of the little boys to go first. And so I took the boy, and then somebody else was ready for the other boy, and cut their hair. And then I go to check them out, and the dad wanted to pay for the boys and for the guy that let them go ahead of him. It was watching karma happen instantly, because he was like, he knew the rules as far as, the way things go. And he's like, he didn't have to do that. But his wife was being a little impatient. So that's kind of why my customer said let them go first. And plus little boys. I mean, they're under 10. They're both under 10. So, it's hard keeping them entertained for a while. And the one boy was getting a little cranky. But it was so nice. My customer did something that was really nice. And then they just paid the karma back instantly. It was really awesome to see. The vibe in the salon was great all day. We were all swamped. We got out of there late, like late. But it was great. And so that meant like my plan food-wise, let's bring back to the channel topic. My plan food-wise was to eat my salad, because if you guys remember from yesterday, I got a Southwest chicken wrap from Quick Trip for breakfast. And then I had a salad at work that I was going to eat. I never had a chance to during the day. From 9 until 5:30, did not stop working. So never had a chance to eat. So my plan was to eat that salad before going with Paige, because she took me with her to get our nails done. And we didn't have time. Our appointment was at 6, and we stayed late, so I didn't eat. And I didn't even think about food, honestly, which was kind of interesting, because I'm never not thinking about food. I plan my entire life around food. So it's interesting to not think about food. But so anyway, so we get there and we get our nails done, and I am still obsessed with these suckers. I'm in love. But so we didn't get out of there till 7. So that meant I wasn't eating until, well, 7 something. I forgot what, but 7 something. I just know I wasn't eating until like 8. So that's where Robert decided to get McDonald's because my hunger struck with a vengeance. It was like, hey, dude, you remember me? Yeah, hi, let's address this. And I did not feel like cooking. And while I stayed within my points and within my calories, so I'm not feeling guilty about that. Only thing was yesterday, I did not have much fruits and vegetables. Like, typically when I'm thinking of food for the day or when I'm thinking out meals, nutrition, whatever you want to call it, I think of making sure I get my water, making sure I get several servings of fruits and vegetables, hopefully a lean protein, hopefully some healthy oils, and, the rest can be, whatever. And I got the water. That was basically it. Because the Southwest chicken wrap, it has lettuce in it. It might have like tomato or something. I honestly don't know. But mainly like a thing of lettuce. And, my dinner was there was tomato on, and lettuce and onion and pickle on the quarter pounder with cheese. But either way, it's one tiny piece of each, so it's not like it's a full serving. So that's the only thing that I regret about yesterday. But like I said, I stay within my points, I stay within my calories, and you guys know that is my main goal and my main focus, and my thing that I say a lot is you can have whatever you want to on Weight Watchers. But at the same time, me personally, I do want to eat healthier because we all know skinny does not equal healthy. I might have a prettier looking body, and of course with the weight off my body, it might make it less likely to have certain issues, but it doesn't mean I am healthy or doing healthy things for my body if I'm eating McDonald's every day. So I'm trying to stay out of that habit. But the rest of the week, you guys know I've talked every day this week. I stayed healthier foods. But anyway, let's get to the weigh-in because we're 7 minutes in. I'm sorry, guys. I know some of you guys are only here for that. At least that's my thoughts. I don't know. I need to stop being so harsh on myself. I apologize too much. I assume too much. Sorry. Anyway, stepped on the scale today, and I am now 312.6 pounds. So that means I am down 1.4 pounds for the week, and that means I'm down 64.2 pounds total. I am finally on the trend that I want to be going. I am heading in the direction and getting this locomotive going, if that makes sense. I'm running out of analogies. But I'm still laughing at myself for taking this long to figure out that, hey, maybe on Sundays you shouldn't eat whatever you want. Duh. But either way, I finally figured it out, and I'm going in the direction I want to go. And that is with this past Sunday, I went a little over my daily points. And so that means on Monday I had a 3-pound gain. I expect to gain because if I am going to eat my dailies and my weeklies, there might be a gain. Like the week before, there was a 0.8 pound gain. But that's better than a 3-pound gain. Or like 3 weeks ago, an 8-pound gain. So, that excites me. And so now I have the decision as far as what to eat today and how I want to go about it. It crossed my mind for a second that maybe I wanted to just eat dailies and not touch the weeklies. I know several people do that, and I've never really done that. So it could be something worth experimenting on, but I'm not gonna. I've decided I'm not going to. I have trained my body for, this year and a half of eating extra on Sundays to be hungry on Sundays. I never ever wake up hungry. I don't eat breakfast typically. My first meal is typically like 12:30 or 1. But on Sundays, like right now, I wake up and I'm hungry because on Sundays I would eat whatever I wanted to. In fact, most Sundays I would go to Hardee's right off the bat, right after I recorded this video, and I don't know if you can hear that. Somebody's like singing very loudly and badly walking down the street. But I would go straight to Hardee's, get their 2 biscuits and gravy, and a large hash brown, which is like 40 something points. It's like a day's worth of points almost. But so I do that forever because Hardee's does have the best biscuits in the entire universe. But I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I don't want to start my day off with that much. But because I did that for so long, on Sunday, today I'm wake up and hungry, and it's like, dude, you're never hungry when you wake up. But I am, because my brain knows I'm trying to not go overboard today. And the brain doesn't talk to the stomach all the time. Anyway, so I scratched the daily points only off the list. And it's not like I'm going to go hog wild, but I am going to make sure I stay within my dailies or my weeklies, unless something crazy emotional happens. But at the same time, even if something crazy emotional happens, I think I am more mentally prepared for it to go in the direction that I want to, or be able to combat it a little bit. Because you never know what life throws at us. So I can't promise that. But, I mean, things should be going all right, I think. Anyway, that's all I've got for you guys today. I meant to say it earlier. I've been meaning to. Paige, pastor that I could talk about, and these cute coasters that I've shown you before. She makes all kinds of resin art, and I'm just plugging her for a minute, mainly because I had such a great day with her, and it was really nice of her to take me to get my nails done. So I'm gonna link her Etsy store down below, especially with Christmas time coming up. And it's not just coasters. She has ashtrays, or she has crosses, or she does coffins or potion bottles for Halloween, or for whenever. And she's a lot of really cool stuff. And you can request her to do certain things. You can pick whatever color you want. These she just had, and I liked them, so I bought them. But I have my Galaxy coffin that I thought was really cute, and then I have a bigger one at work that I requested that is pink and green, or black and green, and it's really pretty. So check out her store. And other than that, back to me, because this channel's about me. Please please comment, please subscribe. I love and adore and need all of your support and encouragement, so thank you for that. Please do more of it. And I will talk to you tomorrow and I'll tell you how today ended up going.